Alright guys, today we're here at unit number 18 of 17402 North 19th Avenue. Again, that's unit number 18, which you can see right here in front of us. We can also take a quick look around the complex. You can see how nice all the new paint looks on these buildings, how quiet it is, how well kept it is. All the neighbors are super nice and quiet. So you're not going to have any issues, with noisy neighbors or anything like that. Let's go ahead and take a step on inside. And as you can see, you step right into a really nice sized living area. And I also want to point out this dark wood flooring is a beautiful accent off of the lighter colored walls. So it really adds some nice contrast to the home, makes it feel really nice in here. And it almost also gives it kind of like a luxury feel as well. So that's, just a nice touch to have in this home. So we'll turn around and look behind us. So those are windows facing out the front of the home, and that's the front door that we just came in right there. And then if you step over here, you're gonna have a couple of different doors. This first one is gonna be a really nice sized storage area, which is actually tucked under the staircase, which is gonna be behind this wall right here. So it's a really nice, efficient use of space. And then behind that door, you're actually gonna have a really nice guest bath down here on the first level of the home. So you can see the beautiful vanity right there. And then when you come this way, you're actually gonna have two closets, one on each side. So this first one is actually gonna be for your washer and dryer, which you can see right in here. And then behind us, you're gonna have a full 2 doors of storage space in here. You get the hanger rack, plenty of space. This is almost a floor to ceiling storage closet. So you have as much space as you could ever want. And then you step into a nice little dining area / kitchen area. So you can see the beautiful kitchen. I love in all of these homes, we have the beautiful backsplash all throughout, all the nice stainless steel appliances, and those are going to stay with the home. So those aren't going to leave. Those are going to stay here, so you don't have to replace them or anything like that. So we'll get a look over here as well. You got the beautiful cabinets. You can see how much storage space you have in here as well. And then let's go ahead and take a step out into the back. And you can see you're going to have 2 closets. So one of these is going to be your storage closet, and the other one is actually going to be your water heater. But you can kind of take a look. That's one of the bedroom windows up there. You have a nice, beautiful little space out here. You get a really nice view, a lot of trees, beautiful city you can look at over there. So you have a really nice little space out back as well. So that's going to be about it for the first floor of this home. And then we will come back over to the front door. And you can see we actually have the staircase that's kind of tucked away over here. And so we'll come on up the stairs. And something else that I wanted to point out when we were out front is actually the location of this place is fantastic. So you're right next to a ton of food places, some really nice shopping areas. So you're not even a 5-minute drive from some really cool places. So this is what you'll see when you come up to the top of the stairs. And if you see directly in front of us, we actually step into a nice full bath up here. So you have the nice shower tub combo. Again, they carry this beautiful little backsplash all throughout as well. And then to the left of us, we are going to have the first bedroom, which again, they carry this beautiful flooring all throughout. And you can see, the true size of this room is a very, very nice size room. And then over here, you're going to have another massive closet. So you can see how far back that goes. It wraps all the way around on the inside. And then you get to see this amazing view as well from the front of the home. And you also get to see, almost all of the community as well from up here. So it's just a really nice spot, have a morning cup of coffee or something like that and have a nice view. You couldn't beat it. So then back behind us, so these are the stairs right here that we came up. And we're going to have another storage closet right here. As you can see, I made floor to ceiling shelves in here as well. So I mean, you're never gonna run out of space in these homes. I mean, this place has as much storage as you could ever need, especially for a 2-bedroom. I mean, the amount of storage is, you could easily, comp it to a 3-bedroom home almost. And then again, this is probably, you would consider this the primary bedroom. I mean, you can see it is a really, really large sized room. And of course, you get the ceiling fan, the light. And I just want to point out how big this closet is. So you're actually going to get 3 full sliding doors. And then all of the space behind it is closet space. So you can see, I mean, uppers and lowers in here, and it goes all the way down over there. So again, I mean, you're never going to run out of space in here. And then you also get a really nice view out of the back of the home as well. So that's actually kind of where we just were. You got your storage and your water heater right there. And then the beautiful views out of the back of the home as well. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home. If you guys have any questions, you want to inquire about the property, you want to schedule a tour to come see it for yourself, you can do that all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.